Good morning, you're listening to Shivangi, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 15th June from around the world. First, we have a shocking news coming from Mumbai. Indian actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his Bandra home in Mumbai on Sunday morning in an apparent suicide. The reasons for Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide are not clear as the actor left no note before ending his life. The police have recovered some items including his medical records for investigation. The postmortem will reveal what injuries he suffered in the process, but the reason behind the suicide may never come out. Police have said that the actor was seeking psychiatric help. In the latest CBSE news, a new development has arisen as a group of 4 parents have filed a petition asking the Supreme Court to cancel the CBSE board exams 2020 in view of the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the country. The Ministry of Home Affairs said that the movement of people will remain prohibited across the country from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. during the ongoing Unlock 1. But there are no restrictions on plying of buses with passengers and goods trucks on highways. The purpose of restricting the movement of individuals during the night was primarily intended at preventing the congregation of people and ensuring social distancing. Mumbai civic body, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, withdrew its order for body bags for deceased COVID-19 patients after it was pointed out that the body bags were being bought at double the original price. Social activist Anjali Damanya had claimed that the price of body bags for deceased coronavirus patients is much lower than quoted to the BMC during the tender process. This comes at a time when Mumbai alone has reported nearly 2,000 coronavirus-related deaths to date. A retired IAS officer has been booked for raising questions about the Uttar Pradesh government's testing policy and strategy to tackle the coronavirus outbreak. An FIR has been filed against former senior bureaucrat Surya Pratap Singh under Section 188, 505 and violation of the Epidemic Act at the Hazratganj police station in Lucknow. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has acknowledged the crucial role that the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme can play in reviving the rural economy of India. This was reflected in the recent announcement of the minister in which an additional 40,000 crore have been allocated for the scheme. Highest allocation of 1,01,500 crore in the scheme for financial year 2020-21 has been reported. Migrants facing job loss amid lockdown will get health insurance under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. I, Shivangi, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.